thinking to myself, this time I might have said a little too much. I wanna be the kind of person you can always count on and trust. But I'd do anything to have you back, and even if it meant lying, 'cause I can't stand the thought of losing you. It feels as if I'm dying. What have I done? What have I lost? Is it my fault or is it fate? Well, I guess it don't matter much, 'cause either way, it's a mistake. I'm sorry about last night. I want my sweet love back, and I want my old life. I'm sorry about last night. I'm crying my eyes out, wishing that I had lied about last night. Tell me what I need to do to fix everything before it's gone, 'cause every time I try to get it right, I end up getting it wrong. I don't always understand the way things are or why they happen, but right now you and me should be together, and we should be laughing. What have I done? What have I lost? Is it my fault or is it fate? Well, I guess it don't matter much, 'cause either way, I wanna say I'm sorry about last night. I want my sweet love back. Yeah, I want my old life. I'm sorry about last night. I'm crying my eyes out, wishing that I had lied about last night. I don't wanna fight, but I can't deny I should have